Hey everyone, it's Sherie, Horticulture Agent at CSU Extension in Pueblo County. It's finally warm enough to transplant my warm season vegetables into the garden, so I figured I'd make this video and show you how to do it too. As you can see, I set the pots out in my beds where I wanted them to go so I can plan out my space appropriately. I already have some plants planted that got planted earlier, like these garlic and this kale. But these other plants had to wait until the danger of frost was over, so they're just getting planted now. When planting tomatoes, you want to plant the plant as deep as you can. All these little hairs on the stems will turn into roots, and the more roots, the healthier the plant. So get it as deep as you possibly can. These tomatoes are staying in their pots. I put the tomato cages on now so that it's not too hard to get them on once the tomatoes are very large. I'm planting my zucchini and my cucumber near the edge of my bed so that eventually when they're big enough I can just stick a trellis in the edge and they have something to climb up. Everything's all planted. Now it's time to give it a nice drink of water and hope for a bountiful harvest. I like to hand water my vegetable garden. It's good to get up close and personal with the plants and make sure nothing's going on with them that you need to address. But an even easier way to keep your vegetable garden irrigated would be to install a soaker hose or a drip system that automatically turns on every day.